So it begins. So today we're going to be bullying little kids on online typing races such as this one, Type Racer. Now, I can't reuse the same code I used for the human benchmark video because on that video I knew that the text was always going to be in the same position, so I could just hard code it into the program. So what I'm going to have to make is some way for the program to know exactly where this text block is. So, how am I going to do that? Well, option number A is to have the code in front of me on the screen, and then the code will give me visual cues so I can tell it, here's this corner, here's this corner, here's this corner. Option number B would be to do that, but on another monitor, but that's too easy. We're going to go for option C. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to record myself and give myself audio cues for where the corners of this box are. Yeah. And then we just use pytesseract to do the image recognition and pyautogui to type it. And hopefully, if you saw the last video, we can get a lot of words per minute. Let's get to it. So, let's try this very crude version out. It's on a timer basis. So top left. Oh, okay. So, when it says top left, I go to the top left. Top right. And that happens. Bottom left. I think this how to play is going to get in the way. Oh dear. Is that just doesn't let me type further? When you lose, yeah, that's fitting. I believe I've lost. I think it's because the W was underlined. Couldn't find it. That's an issue. That's a very big issue, actually. I've looked almost everywhere, and almost all of the typing races have that. Oh, that's very loud. Nice sound effects. Top left. Where's the text? Oh, almost all of them have this. Top right. Kind of the first word is always underlined. Bottom left. I wonder if this one, if it'll get confused by the ready. Oh, there we go. I added a ready sound effect as well. If it'll get confused by the blue text. Well, that's just disappointing, isn't it? Alright, so I don't think I'm finding a typing website which doesn't highlight or underline the word you're typing. However, if I just type in the first word for Type Racer, it seems to work fine, except it's recognizing the cursor as an I. So surely if I just remove that I, it should type it. I'll give it a go. Well, the code is now working, but image recognition isn't doing very well. As you can see, it's misread strife as string gods. Oh no, wait. Well, that's from there, among gods and mortals, but it's still misreading it. And I think it's also typing too fast for this website. We can slow it down, I guess, and maybe to help the image recognition, zoom in on the website. Alright, we have extra zoom. We have a slower program. Let's give it a go. Top left. Top left, I'm there. Top right. Oh, it's getting exciting. Bottom left. Ready. Oh, he's ready. Right. Oh, see, it missed the S and the E. And the so now I'm just fighting. You have to type C, comma, followed by space. I know I have to do that. I'm having a little bit of trouble. I can't even... Okay, I've got the S. No. I just... Yeah. I think there is such a thing as too slow. Because it's going to take a while for it to finish, and I'm just wrestling with it at this moment in time. You done? All right. Now we're really into it. Oh my, these people are really slow. Look at this. Are we going to catch up with them? No! What happened? No! I can't... Right, I need to add some kind of break into it. Right. Saratoga... Did I not go far enough to the right? Maybe I didn't. Anyway, that was interesting, because 0, 40 and 0 words per minute. I'm sitting here on 11, and Camille won. Well done, Camille. Congrats. Alright, so now I made it much faster. There's only a 10 millisecond delay, because last time it was 100 milliseconds. Which obviously took a long time. Top left. Everyone else is starting, but that's fine. Wow, there's a lot of top right. The word people in this, isn't there? I guess that's meant to be a joke. Ready? Wait, how much do you think it's missed off? We'll try PE. Oh. 124. We ask everyone who is to take in a short typing test. If you pass... Wait, what? Are they trying to ban me? Which I wouldn't be surprised. I just 124 words per minute. It's not that fast. I didn't do faster. Also, 100. How do people get 173? I guess I took a bit of time at the start of the race, but this is done to discourage cheaters. Ah, why? Oh, it's just cheat protection. Also, can't I just refresh the page? Does it not work like that? I'll stay on the website as long as I can. Yeah, so they ask you to take part in a typing test to, like, discourage cheaters or something. But you can just refresh the page and they'll just let you back in. Which is pretty nice of them. I should probably make these breaks slower so top right, typing faster. Ah, this is fine. Bottom left. Go away. Ready? Oh, oh no way. Oh, I can't even... Right, this is the issue, because it just starts typing from the beginning, and it doesn't know where it stopped. Well, top left. Let's go again. I'm ready. Top right. Yeah, top right. Bottom left. Ready. It's not doing anything. Oh. That's fine. Bang! It's only 70 words per minute. Imagine what they must be thinking when the car's over here and it just zooms all the way to the end. Oh, we need to take this onto a different website. Alright. Let's have a street race. Nickname. Dull Dolphin Leopard. Sure. That works. I'm now the Dull Dolphin Leopard. See? It's up there. Be scared of the name. Game 5.59. Let's go. Let's start. Let's go. That's me? Oh, you're joking. Right. I don't think I can really cheese this one out, can I? Fantastic. I found a game for 7-year-olds. Oh. Home keys JF. Oh, it's one of those races where you've not actually got people there. It's fine. We can still type J. We can use the program to do this. When it decides to start. Top left. Okay. Yeah. Top right. Oh, I can't believe I'm on a website. Bottom left. 7-year-olds. I wonder what it's like on the YouTube video for you guys, because I can clearly hear when I'm speaking. Ready? When I'm not. But you're just listening to my recording. Oh. You're just listening to my recording, and it must just sound the same. I guess. I don't know. So after looking through many different websites and trying them all out, TypeRacer seems to be the only good typing race online. Like, just in general, top left. Good for my program, I just mean in general. Top right. We just stick here, and we can try bottom left. The too many words per minute test. Oh, come on, don't let the guest win. No, we can ready. We can beat him. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Oh, that guy must be furious. He must be absolutely livid. He's there typing out 100. Oh, did he just quit? Oh, no, he didn't. I thought he did. He's there typing out like 100 words per minute. I've just sat at the start and I just zoomed by at 177 words per minute. Well, let's try the test. 132 words per minute to pass. What happens if I fail the test? I don't know. I hope I won't. Oh, wait, what? Well, they got me here. I don't want to press submit. What happens if I press submit? Sorry, you failed. Otherwise, your score for the current race will not be saved. That's, I don't think I can type that many words per minute. I also don't think my program will recognize it because of the line across it. I can give it a go. The only issue with this is top left. By the time top right. Yeah, bottom left. By the time it recognizes it. Ready? I think it's too late. Anyway. Doesn't recognize anything anyway. I assume it's just too blurry. Yeah. Top left. They got me. GG's. Top right. Anyway, I can just refresh the page. There's a lot of new open things. Yeah, it does this for some reason. It opens all these in a new window, all my recordings. Well, I think that'll be it for this episode. I really enjoyed messing around with this, trying to get the highest score possible. The numbers aren't quite as crazy as the human benchmark one. Top left. However, this is against real people, which just has that extra little top right to it. Bottom left. I have no idea why I decided to use audio cues. But I did. Ready? Anyway. Look at this guest. Let him. Let him. He thinks he's won. Oh, maybe he has. Shoot. Well. I'm not very fast at typing. Second place. I guess I'll have to take that. I thought he was done for then. He was done for then. He was. But he pulled through. He was consistent. Just goes to show you can beat a computer when it's made by someone who's not really that good at programming.